In today's video, I'll guide you on how to fix disk usage on Windows PC. The process are very simple, so I will start from the simplest to the complex. So you have to watch this video to the end because the last process is going to blow up your mind. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that your system is running on the latest version of its operating system. Here is how to do that. Come to this start menu, right click on it, click on settings, come down to this place, click on updates. Now check for the latest version here, run the latest version, run the update. This might fix that issue. Once that has been completed, the next thing is to check your task manager settings, very compulsory as well. Right click on the start menu, then click on task manager button. Once this page comes up, go to startup app here, then check the startup impact, then look at the status, then look at the apps. Any of these apps that is of no use to, make sure you disable it while the PC is starting up. This is causing your PC to act slowly and lagging, sometimes freezing. So always make sure that you disable every app that is starting up on your computer that is of no use. Then this will take us to our next step. The next step is very simple, but you must do that. Open the File Explorer on your PC. Come to the search section here, type in File Explorer, then open this File Explorer. It comes out like this. Now right click on the C drive. Most of the time Windows is stored on the C drive. Right click on the C drive, then select Properties. Now go to Tools here and click on Tools. Now here under Optimize and Defragment Drives, click on this button that says Optimize. Now here, if this one is turned on like this one, you need to turn it off, but make sure that the C drive is selected here. If you have partitioned drive like my own, so make sure that the C drive is selected. Then come to this place, click on Change. Now check this box, then click on OK. Then you see that it is turned off. Now click on Done. Once you click on Done, then each time your system is defragging or try to clean up your system, each time you use these settings to clean up your system, it accumulates more space on your device, and that is why your disk is always full without you knowing what is really happening to it. So turn off that settings right away on your device. Now the next thing is to come over to this place. Now right click on the start button one more time, then click on Run. Once the run comes out here, type in services.mxc, then hit the enter button or OK. It comes out like this. So here you're going to turn off two important things. The first one is connected device platform. So click on this and tap on C from the keyboard. Now locate connected device platform. This button, you see it is running and it's automatic. This has nothing to do with your device, so right click on it, click on stop to stop it. Then still on that same place, right click on it, click on property, then come to this startup type, disable it, click on apply, click on OK. Then still in the same place, locate and search for 6main, XYX MAIN. So you have to locate for that particular folder or file and do the same thing for it. So here you see it, you can see it's automatic and not running. So now right click on it, click on property, then come to startup type, click on disable, click on apply, click on OK. Now it is disabled and it is not running. So if it is running, just right click and click on stop to stop that. Now with these settings in place, you've been able to clean up your usage disk on your device, thereby give more space for your device to be able to operating at its best. So if you do what I've explained and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.